Alrighty then, we're back to recording. In this bowl is 1 pound of almond paste, 2 cups of sugar. Beat that together with the 8 eggs. Then I incorporated the 3 cups of butter. And that's what it's doing right now. And if you look, this is what I wanted to show you. It looks kind of curdly. It really isn't. It's just it's so much butter that it looks kind of funny. Okay, and I also added 2 teaspoons of almond extract. Suggestion, I would add a little bit more, but have Sam or somebody taste it who likes cookie dough and see if there's enough almond in there. Alright, I've already measured out 4 cups of flour. I'm slowly going to incorporate that. And once that's incorporated, I'll show you what that looks like. Do it very slowly so that you don't get a flour bath. That's number 1 suggestion. Alright, so this is what it's going to end up looking like. It's nice and it's fluffy, and I told you don't worry about it looking curdled because, look, I mean, it's nice and fluffy. Alright, number 2. Yesterday, I took my mixing bowl and I weighed it. And it measured out empty 1.6.8 ounces. So I know I have to subtract that amount from this. So I'm going to put this on the scale. So now we're on the scale. And I'm going to get this off. Okay. And now this measures 6.139. So I need to subtract that and then divide it by 3. And then I have 3 mixing bowls that I'm going to put it in. Alright. Okay. First hint. Here's my pan. I haven't put the parchment in it yet. But I have a rag. And I'm just lightly dampening the pan. And I mean very, very lightly. Now I'll put the parchment paper down. And I'm bringing it over to the counter because the top of my stove is too hot. And if I don't, then my dough is, because this is still really hot, it's still set at 350, so it's hot, it'll start melting. Alright, I'm going to do that. I'm going to spread it out. Be right back. Okay, so the white one is all taken care of. It's all layered out, yada, yada, yada. And I'm about ready to put it in the oven. I'm going to start at 10 minutes. Let me see if I can get closer there. I'm going to start at 10 minutes and at 350. There we go. At 350 and see what it looks like. Chances are it's going to have to go at least another 3 minutes. Don't look at my oven. It's filthy. After the holidays, I'll clean it. Alright, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Alright, 10 minutes on the clock. While that's doing that, over here, I have measured out the 3. They're just about equal, but they're not completely perfect, and I really don't care if they're not completely perfect, as long as they're sort of. Every time I got a different bowl, I zeroed it out, measured what I needed. It was just under 2 pounds per bowl, and that's done. So now I'm going to do my red and my green, and use your mixer for this. Don't try to do it by hand. Scrape it down, mix it again so you don't have big globs of white and stuff in there. Alright, back. Alright, so I have the green in one tray. I have the pink in the other. How many drops of food coloring? I don't know. However pink you want it, red you want it, however green you want it. Now, in the oven, as you can see, I've got 45 seconds left on the clock. This was 13 minutes in my oven at 350. So, now I just want to show you, because my timer's going to go off here and I need another hand. But, there. This is what, oops, okay, this is what you're looking for. It's dry. It's not See? It's dry. There's nothing on there. So that's really what you want. Now I'm going to put the green one in next, and then we'll go to the next part. Okay, so I have strained my raspberries, and this is what you get. This is all the seeds and the pulp and whatever. And I don't want this. I don't want it in my stuff. So I've strained it, and now we're going to go to the next. Okay, so now I have my layers out, and what I did was I got a deeper pan, and I have the first layer is down, and I'm going to put the apricot on first, and then I'll put the green on top of that, and then I'll put the raspberry on top of the green, and then I'll put the red on top of that. And well, there's my apricot. It's fairly thin. I mean, it's not, but it's gluey, and that's what you're looking for. Okay, so that was a half a jar of apricot preserves. I warmed it up in the microwave, 35, 45 seconds, whatever it needs, and until it's nice and thin. I strained it, and now I just put it on top of this. This layer here is going to have the green on top of that. And what I do is I turn them upside down, so you have the flat bottom part to spread your glue on. I'll do the same thing now with the green, and then I'll show you. Okay, so all 3 layers are done. I'm going to put another thing of paper on top of it, put some weight on it, and wait till tomorrow morning to put the chocolate on. Hope this helps. Bye.